everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Samira in the building. Today we are going to work on this Ankara fabric and we are using it to cut A-line skirts. Please subscribe, comment, like, share it. Let's get started now. So now I'll go ahead now to fold it, like to spread it. So this is it. This I'm going to fold it and we'll start with our measurements. So I will also measure the weight to see what we have. What we have here is 17.5, so that is the weight we are working on for the style. To start with the length, I will be subtracting 2 inches for my tape. Why doing that? Because of the band. So I'm placing it like this, you can see, to get my length. So my length, let me shift it a little so that you can see. My length is 40 inches. So I will continue to mark my 40 inches for my length. So that is my 40 inches. So now I will add in 2 inches, the one that I will use, and fold it for the hemline. So that is the hemline that I'm adding 2 inches. So that by the time I want to fold it, I will using that 2 inches to fold it. So I will go ahead now to roll it like this. Like this. So now we've gotten that. So that is the length. So now I will go ahead now again. Let me shift it again for you to see the beginning. So I will also place the tape like this to get my half cut. That is half length, 18 inches. So that is my 18 inches. I will also roll it. So that is it. So that is the line there. I will also place my tape again like this to mark my hip length. My hip length that I'm marking here is 9 inches. So that's my 9 inches that I'm marking. And also roll it using my ruler to roll it. So that is it. So that is my hip line. So then this is our upper part that we have our waistline now. So our waist is 43, while the hip measurement is 47. Since it's going to have elastic at the side, so I'm not going to make it that 43. What I'm going to use is 45 because of the elastic that we face at this waist. So 45 divided by 4, what will it give us? 11 inches point 2. That's what it will give us. So mark it 11 inches point 2 and add my sewing allowance. I'm adding up to 2 inches. So coming to our hip is 47. 47 divided by 4, that will also give us on our tape like this. So this is it, 47. Adding my sewing allowance, 1.5 inches. So that's my 1.5 inches. So coming to our half length, that is where we will shape the A line now. So I'm going to shape it out from the hip. Is where we are going to shape it out. Our hip is 47. So what I'm going to shape here will be 44 inches. So I'm just removing 3 inches from the hip to shape the half length. I'm marking my 44. My 44 is 11 inches on the tape. Then I will add 1.5 for the sewing allowance. So that is it now. So what I will do, let me shift it up for you to see what I'm going to do at the side that will have flare. So this is my hemline side that I will now flare it. So this is my 44. We'll bring our 44 that we have earlier. This is my 44 inches. So then I want to flare it now. So what I'm adding here is up to 5 inches. I want it to flare very well. So that's my 5 inches that we added there. So now to connect the lines, let me from this side, like the hemline side, to connect it. So I'm connecting it like this. So taking my roller up again to connect it to the half length. So that is it. And bringing it down again for you to see what I'm doing. So connect it again to my hip. So that is to my hip. So from my hip to my waist. So that is it. So can you see what I've done there now? So that is our hairline skirt now that we've gotten. So I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So we'll cut it now. So let me cut it because we are done with the measurement now. So I'm cutting. So this is it. So keep watching and please subscribe to my channel. So that is it now. So can you see how it is now? Let me also bring it down again for you to see from the upper side now. So you see that. So now is to cut the back. So I'll be using the front piece that I've cut earlier to fold it like this to place on it, having my zipper allowance. So this is it. This is what I'm doing here now. So let me fold it, draw it a bit back so that you can see the full length. And this is it. So I hope you are seeing it. And our zipper allowance that I added there is 1 inch that I added on the zipper. So it will also have zip. So what I will do, let me take it up a bit again for you to see, because this is our length. So this way I will cut now. So we are not doing anything again, just to cut it, because we already used the front to do the measurement. So I'm going to cut now. So I'll cut. So it's the back piece that we are cutting, and it's A-line skirt that we are making. Don't forget that. So that is it. So I've cut. So let me go to the, let me open this back side from this side. So this how I will do. I'll go and sew it on the machine. So after sewing it, I will also come and show you how to join the body part. So I will fold it like this so that I will start from the other side to cut. So please share my video, watch it to the end, comment. So that is it now. So just keep watching, and where you not understand, please watch it again. So by the time you watch it again, you understand every detail of this A-line skirt that we are making. So I've cut it. So the skirt will be lining. So this our lining that we are using to line the skirt. So I've folded it. So I will be using the fabric to lay on it. So I will place it like this. And what I'm doing here is that we know we added 2 inches for our hem allowance, so I notch it. So I will place it where I notch like this. So let me put it for you to see. You can see this is the end of our lining, and this is the hem line that I notch. So I will just place it at the end of the lining like this where I notch. So that is what I'm doing here now. So let me place it well. So this is it. On the other side to have launched it, so what I will do, I will just cut from it, because if we are sewing, we will now turn it. I hope you understand what I'm saying now. So let me also shift it for you to see the upper side of it now. So this is it. So I will cut from this side now. So let me cut from here. Actually, this is the back side that I'm using to cut. So I'm cutting it now, like the lining. So I've cut the zipper side. So let me shift it so that I'll cut the upper side again. So this I'm going to run the stitch. After doing that, I will also iron it. After ironing it, I will now come and show you the next step, what we are going to do. So as you can see, cut it out. So that is how I'm going to also cut the front side of it too. I've learned it now, so I'm going to cut the front side. So I'm doing it the same that I've done to the back side. So I'm cutting now. So if you are lining your clothes, this is how you should do it, as you can see me doing. So I will go and run it on the machine, turn it, and iron it out. So can you see what I've done there? So this is it. So for us to be placing the lining, so this I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is the hemline side. So just place the lining like this and go and run it from the down part, like the hemline. And after that, you now turn it and iron it before sewing the side and the side. So this is the first place I want to go and run now. So this is the step by step how to sew your lining. So I've done the first step now. So this I'm going to fold it again. Remember, this is where I notch my 2 inches. So after sewing it like this, so this height will now be. So you can see now that we now have our 2 inches that we folded on it. So this is where I notch. So I will want to run a stitch like this. Run a stitch like this. After that, I will also come and show you how it will be. So you can see I'm going to iron it out. So this is it now. So you can let me turn it for you to see. You can see what we did here now. So I've ironed it and I will now measure the body part now, like the front and the back now. So now is to join the body part now. So I will be placing my tape from the waist. So this is my waist side. My waist is 45 now because we are adding elastic on it. So this is our 45. So we count the one that remains so that we'll now measure it. So this is 45 here. So here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is that 2 inches that we added. We'll return back. So that's my 2 inches. So 2 inches at this other side. Let me show you where for you to see. So this is our hip line. Our hip is 47 inches. So this are 47 inches here. So this is the one that remains. Let's count it out. Here to here is 1, 2. So that is 1.5 that we added earlier. So this is the 1.5 that we added. Coming to this side, 1.5. Our half length area is here. So our half length is 44 inches. So this is our 44 inches. So we'll count the one that remains. 1, 2, 3. So we add our 1.5 inches at this side. Coming to the other side, we also add 1.5. So we're getting it now. So we'll now connect our marks together. So starting from this side, I want you to see it. That's why I'm taking it up, down. So connect it from the waist to the hip. From the hip to the half length. So the half length now, from here now, you flare it out. Just take it out. You because it's a line that we are making, so it will flare out. So you also come to the other side of it and mark to the hip, from the hip to the half length. So from the half length now you take it out. So take it out like this. So the next step is for me to run to the machine to go and stitch it and also come and show you how it will be. So now is to fix our bands for the skirt. But you can see how it came out, the A-line skirt. You can see the shape. You can also see the other side. And you can also see how it flare out. So this is it. So let's go and cut the band now. So I've gone to run my band's waistline here, as you can see. So now is the elastic that we want to fix now. So this is my elastic. So let me measure it for you to see what I have here. It's 8.5 inches that we're using to pass for the waistline. So what I will do now, I will use the elastic to pass through the waistline. So I will use my tape to mark my middle point for my skirt. So this is my middle point. So my middle point, I will have 4.5 inches. So that is the middle point. That is the 4.5 inches. So I will also come to this side to get it. It's just like the way we do our dart. So yes, so it's the dart. So, and I've already opened a line that will pass through on it. So can you see what I've done here? So I also done it in the other side. So for the other side, for the back side, I've also done that. So I've already have a space that will pass. So I will now use my elastic now to pass through it now. So we'll start from this side of it. So you can see that I've already have the space that I will use it to pass through it. So I will just continue to pass it like this. Remember, it's a side elastic waistline that we are making. So now I will use my pin to hold it so that I will continue to fix it. So I'll pin it so that it will not pull out. So I will just continue like this to this side of it now. So I will drag it out so you can see what I've done here now. So just to remove my safety pin and also use my pin to pin it, and then I will now take it to the machine to go and stitch together. So you can see it now, the one side of it that I fixed now. So what I will do now, I will also pass it to the other side of the side skirt now. So let me do that now. My side elastic waistband is here, it's ready. So as you can see, this is it. So I hope you understand what I did here. So I'll go and stitch it now, and our skirt will be ready to wear out. Our hairline skirt is ready. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you all next time. Happy New Month, friends.